How's everybody doing today? It's been a minute. This is going to be a current video as of today. Today is April 15th, whatever it is. This is a current video. I'm trying to get you guys good light. Okay. Anyways, so this video today is going to be a good video. Simple install for the truck is going to help out with suspension, steering and stuff. As you guys know, pretty much up until even current like Rams and stuff, 4th gens, we have the infamous problem with loose steering. Okay, that seems to be the issue for the truck. I got a 2008. My gearbox could be replaced, but I'm going to kind of be putting that on hold for now because I want to try out small things first before jumping to a big thing like a gearbox. Okay, so what we did today, or I did actually like a week ago, I went ahead and bought a steering brace for it. My buddy put one on his truck. It seemed like it helped out a good bit. So I'm expecting that to help out with this truck a lot too. Now, although I have to say that once I went back to the stock tires, the amount of play I had went down a good bit just because the size of the tire was not as wide. Therefore, there wasn't as much surface area contacting the ground. Therefore, you didn't need to turn it as much or more to get the same equivalent turn out of it. So it went down a little bit, but as you guys know, that these are not going to be the final rims and tires that we're going to be having on the truck. So I'm pretty much building everything up around it, so that way when I get the new tires and rims on, it's going to be good. I won't have to worry about uneven wearing, messing up the ride, bumpiness, nothing like that, okay? Because those tires I had before, they're gone. There's a couple things I wanted to go over with you guys before we jump into the install. I think you guys are going to be really excited about this. I know I am. First things first is going to be t-shirts, okay? Now, I'm not wearing it right now. I'm wearing a Rick and Morty shirt. Well, this is a Rick shirt, but I'm not wearing it right now because I wanted to show you guys the shirt laid out first before I put it on. That way you guys can get a good view of it. These t-shirts are channel t-shirts, okay? These t-shirts are representing me, is representing everything Diesel, is representing all the people out there that are the do-it-yourself, everyday man, everyday dudes, just your average cats and stuff. And I'm going to be making these shirts in male sizes and female sizes because I know there's a nice decent little crowd of female followers out there, okay? So nonetheless, I'm going to show you guys the shirt that I'm rocking. And also, one or two things. One, if you like this video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, because the thumbs up have been helping these videos out tremendously. I'm talking like you guys have been kicking it out of the park, and I appreciate all the shares, all the likes, all the comments. You guys have been knocking it out of the park. I really appreciate it, man. You guys are, I'm so grateful for you guys. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to show you guys a t-shirt. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with the t-shirt. I'm also having stickers made, and this is why I've been gone for a bit. All right, I got a lot of stuff going on, okay? So I got t-shirts that are going to be getting made. I got stickers that are going to be getting made. Depending on how it goes with selling those, I might even take it as far as getting caps made, but we'll get there when we get there. I know people love stickers, and I know people love t-shirts, all right? A nice looking t-shirt, you know, you can represent it, you know. If you want a custom made one, then you always hit me up in the DM on my Instagram. If you guys are following Instagram, everything_diesel, you would know probably about a week and a half ago or a week ago about the shirt. But I'm just not getting on YouTube because I've been extremely busy with work, at school, and just life. So I wanted to get you guys caught up, spooled up on what's going to go on before we start the install. All right, guys. Now, this is a big t-shirt. This is a 2XL. I don't even wear a 2XL, but obviously it would be smaller. All right, this is it. Everything Diesel shirt. This is the logo for the channel, all right? You got a womp on it, cut and dry, okay? Now check it out. Also, this is the first initial test run shirt, okay? This is not what the shirts I will be selling to you guys look like, okay? They're gonna look slightly different. I can get you guys a picture. I can explain it to you, but it'll look better if I can get you guys a picture of what it would look like. I'll try to upload it at the end of this video so you can see what the t-shirts you guys, if you order one, will get, okay? So the one that I'm gonna have up for sale is gonna have skid marks, tire marks back here where the pedal's at, or the foot's at. So this is the foot. Imagine them stepping on the pedal, womping on it, right? So tire marks gonna be here on the left sleeve. I know this is the right one. On the left sleeve, you gotta have the American flag. So I'm gonna be having the American flag. It's gonna be white. It'll have the American flag on here. Now for my out of country brothers and sisters, hey, if you guys want a custom shirt for you where it has your country flag on it, that is possible. All you gotta do is DM me on Instagram or email me, whatever. My email is in my bio on my YouTube channel. If you want a custom shirt where your country's flag is on there, that is possible. just know that it's going to cost a little bit more because I'm making a custom order because I ordered these in bulk. So it's not going to be expensive, but it's going to cost a little bit more, okay? This sleeve's not going to have anything on it. I'm going to flip it over and show you guys what the back of it looks like. Alright, so this is the back of the shirt. All this has is it says Everything Diesel, nice and simple, or at Everything Diesel. I thought about putting the YouTube logo here and then having the Instagram logo underneath of it, but I'm not, you know, if it was my own shirt, I probably would do that, but because I'm selling this to everybody, I don't want people walking around, you know, like a billboard, a walking billboard. So, but this is it, man. I'm extremely excited about releasing this. I'm in the process right now of getting the shirts ordered, and I'm in the process of getting it set up to where you guys, I'm trying to get a website where I can be able to sell these on. I know there's a couple out there I've been looking at, or I'm thinking about doing it through PayPal also. So yeah, this is it. So this is where I'm going to have the shirts at, or this is what the shirt's going to be looking like for the most part. This company or this shirt brand name is a Gildan, you know, so Gildan cotton. So it's not, or Gildan, whatever it's called. It's so it's not cheap shirt. With Gildan, just like any Gildan tee, I'm pretty sure the first time you wash it, you got to wash it inside out. Don't dry it on high heat to shrink it. This is a 2XL, so I kind of was trying to shrink this, but I want to show you guys this shirt. I'm gonna throw this on real quick so I can be repping the merch, repping the channel. All right. Also, real quick, and then I'm seriously done this time. I bought a toolbox. Home Depot. For those of you guys looking for the toolboxes, I don't know if it's in your area, but I know the Home Depot in my area, they had this amazing toolbox. It's a 46-inch wide, 9 drawers, wood top, $250 out the door. It's usually $350, and it has the outlets on the side and USBs. I put this magnet here so you can hook up. It's awesome. I'm currently in the transition of putting all my tools in here, so that's why I'm trying to get the garage looking orderly. But I got a lot of stuff in here so far. I'm still got a lot more to put. So if you guys are looking for a good toolbox, I highly recommend this one. Alright guys, so I went ahead, threw the shirt on. I'm repping the merch. A little baggy on me, but you know, it is what it is. I went ahead and unboxed the steering wheel brace. It's on the bench right now. I'm gonna show you guys everything that came with the box. I paid $40 for my kit. It's super cheap. They have some kits out there that go up to $120, but in all honesty, I would look at the pictures and the differences between them, and it was not worth the money, that paying extra money to justify it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, what we're working with, where it's gonna be going, and then we're gonna get this install started. All right, so this is it, steering brace. Alright, this is it, steering brace. This is brace. So the idea behind this is that this is gonna go underneath your sway bar hardware. Where your sway bar hardware is gonna go underneath that. This is gonna go directly where your pitman arm is. Alright, the nut is gonna sit under that, and then there's a shank or a shaft. This guy. In the hardware, this fat one, all right, that's going to go onto the shaft of the steering box, and then your bearing is going to go over that right here, okay? It even came with a greasable fitting, so you can keep it greased up, so that way that bearing stays nice and smooth. I was looking at it, and you know, it seems like solid, you know, it's not cheap or nothing. It got nice weight to it, so I definitely think this is a good buy. That's it. It's real simple right here, okay? Bada boom. And then the one down there, bada bing, okay? You take those out, put the brace there. You're gonna have to take off your nut for your pitman arm, not a big deal. And then put her up in there, get the hardware, put it back through, and you're really done, all right? Oh, there's something else I wanted to explain to you guys. 1 second. All right, so real quick, you guys, one thing I wanted to mention when it comes to the how-to-do videos I'm going to be doing from here on out, I want to be more informative with it, meaning I want to show you guys as best as possible what I'm doing. So how I'm going to do that is I have a GoPro. I'll have my GoPro either on my head or I'll have it posted somewhere, because GoPros are small. You can put them in a lot of places. So I want to be able to show you guys exactly what's going on. If I can even get you guys to see what's going on and just put it on a time lapse, then that's even better. But I definitely want to start getting you guys more involved on the installs and stuff. How to do videos, my how to do videos, I want them to be as good as possible, as detailed as possible, okay? So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So if you're watching this clip right here, the way it looks, and then it switches over to like a wide lens, that's probably because I'm using the GoPro. The GoPro has that. I don't know why, but it just does. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. I'm gonna go ahead, lay out the tarp, get my tools I need to do this, and then we're gonna go from there, okay? Hey, get rid of this. Just getting all my hardware out. Go ahead. Get that up there nice and tight.
Japan.
Alright, you guys, so I went ahead, I laid out everything I needed. I already dropped the sway bar down. So if you can see here, it was like that, right? Sway bar had two bolts over here, 2 bolts over there. I dropped it down. You can just let it swing like this. My sway bar links are shot, so I don't really care what happens to them anyways. I already took off the pitman arm nut right there. You can use a 34 millimeter. You might be able to get away with a 33, but I had to go buy a 34 mil. Pop that off, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new shaft. This guy right here. Gonna screw that, get the washer, screw it on there, and then go from there. Okay. God dang rain, man. All right, guys, so long story short, it did not get installed. The brace did not get installed. I got sent, I don't know what they sent me in the box, but it was not a brace that fits this model. Even though their listing says that it's made to fit this model, it did not fit it whatsoever. I got to contact, this is the only downfall I hate about when it comes to buying parts online. So now I got to do the whole process where I got to contact them, tell them, hey, I want my money back. The company I got it from off of eBay, they do the whole 15% restock bullshit fee. I'm not paying that, so I'm gonna have to send them a message saying, hey, I am not paying for your restocking fee because you guys sent me the wrong part. It doesn't even fit my truck. I don't know what the hell this is. So it's probably gonna be about another week before I can get another one, the correct one, back out, and then, you know, have it back on the truck and stuff. So I apologize for that. I'm still gonna put this video up for 2 reasons. One, because I wanted to get you guys caught up on what's going on with the channel, with the new merchandise, the t-shirts and stuff. And then 2, I haven't made a video in a while, current video in a while. So I wanted to be able to give you guys something to watch or something until we get more parts for the engine and whatnot, you know. All right, guys, so this guy, it mounts up to the frame correctly, but this piece right here, I don't know when they made it, if they meant to weld it on the other side underneath or what, but this right here, like, you can't put the bearing on. I'll show you guys real quick. So this is the bearing, that's the bearing, right? And then this is the shaft that the bearing goes on. So normally it's gonna sit pretty much like this. All right, notice how you can have your Allen key screws there so you can tighten it down so that way it turns with the bearing. That's not this case. With this one, because that bracket right here, that bracket is awkwardly positioned or whatever, I don't know. It only goes in about that much. So it doesn't even clear the set screws so I can tighten it down. And I've played around with it for quite a bit, trying to make sure I wasn't tripping. I watched a few videos. No, it did not come with instructions. That probably should have been the first sign that maybe this wasn't the right, you know, component or whatever. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, what I was talking about with the brace. I was kind of mad because this is like a 15-minute job. Like, it does not take a lot of time, you know. And I was expecting to buzz it off the old stuff, put the new stuff on, tighten it down, you know, give you guys a little review about it and stuff. You know how I usually do on most of my videos when I install new stuff. I wasn't able to do that, so I'm a little irritated. Plus, it was raining, so I was trying to beat the rain. And then, you know, when I found out that this wasn't the right part, that also is when it started raining. So I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. So it is what it is. It happens, you know. That's just one of the downsides of, like I said, buying parts online. So also, one more thing I forgot to mention, all my new subscribers, Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I like to always give a little shout out every, maybe 1, 2, 3 videos when we get, because I'm always getting new subscribers every day. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I hope you guys really enjoy the channel and you guys are going to enjoy the content that I have on here. Do me a favor, everybody, give me that thumbs up again for this video. I know it was a dud, okay? It was a dud video, but nonetheless, give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video. Also, feel free to share, comment on it, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're watching these videos and you're not subscribed, all right? Also, once again, I mentioned it in my last video, hit the bell notification, because what's happening is apparently people who are subscribed to channels on YouTube, they're not getting a notification that a video is up, so it's like, I don't know what's going on, but just so you make sure you're getting the video when it comes out, hit that bell notification. You're gonna get notified every single time I put a video out. So once again, that is it. I'm done this time. You guys take care. Peace out. Until next time, be easy.